Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Welcome to Shamaila Rafique official. Friends, in this video I'll be sharing some very short yet interesting English phrases that would speak volumes. So do watch the video till end to get the best of it. And don't forget to mention in comments the phrases that you found your favorite. The first phrase on the screen, speak up. Uncha bolna. Speak up is when you communicate publicly and assertively. For example, you'll have to speak up. I can't hear you. तुम्हें ऊंचा बोलना पड़ेगा. मैं तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं सुन सकता. The next phrase, stay strong. हिम्मत बनाए रखो. If you say stay strong, you are paying the person the compliment of asserting that they are strong already, adding your wish that they remain so. For example, I know I can do that if I stay strong. मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं हिम्मत बनाए रखूं तो मैं ये काम कर सकता हूं. Don't insist. जिद मत करो. It is used in a situation when we want to stop somebody from some action, when we want him to stay cool and not stubborn. For example, I don't insist on going to hotel with my friend. मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ होटल जाने पर जिद नहीं करता. The next phrase, focus here. यहाँ ध्यान दो. You can use this short phrase to let others pay their total attention to something specific, something desirous or urgent. For example, focus here if you want to learn the exact meanings. अगर तुम सही मतलब जानना चाहते हो तो यहाँ ध्यान दो. The next phrase is spit out. थूक देना. Literally it means to spit something out of your mouth. But metaphorically, it also means to say something quickly, bravely, and angrily. For example, spit it out. Don't delay. जल्दी से साफ बात करो, ताखीर मत करो. Don't delay. देर मत करो. You can use it when you want to politely encourage someone not to postpone or put off a task. For example, please don't delay. The project needs to be completed by the end of this week. मेहरबानी करके ताख़ीर मत करें. ये काम इस हफ्ते के इख्तिताम तक मुकम्मल होना ज़रूरी है. Remind me. मुझे याद दिलाना. It is used to make someone think about something again. So remind me can be used in a sentence like, Remind me to see you at sharp 8 a.m. tomorrow. मुझे याद दिलाना कि कल पूरे 8 बजे मुझे आपसे मिलना है. I don't care. मुझे परवाह नहीं. It indicates that the speaker has no interest or emotional investment in the topic at hand. For example, I want you to study. I don't care how much you suffer. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम तालीम हासिल करो, लेकिन मुझे इस बात की कतन परवाह नहीं कि तुम्हें कितनी मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ता है. Be careful. ज़रा एहतियात से. Means giving attention or thought to what you are doing so that you avoid hurting yourself, damaging something or doing something wrong. A sentence, be careful to look both ways when you cross the road. सड़क पार करते हुए पूरी एहतियात से दोनों तरफ देख लेना. Don't pretend. दिखावा मत करो. You can use it when you want to express that you are not trying to deceive someone or act as if something were true when it's not. Here's an example. I don't pretend to be an expert on this subject. मैं इस मज़मून में माहिर होने का दिखावा नहीं करता. Another phrase. Time has come. वक्त आ चुका है. It means that something that has been expected or anticipated has finally arrived or happened. It suggests that the speaker has been waiting for this moment. Here's an example. The time has come to make a difference. हालात बदलने का वक्त आ चुका है. Food is ready means ready to use, fully prepared and ready to be served. Here goes an example. Although the food is ready, but we are not feeling hungry. अगरचे खाना तैयार है लेकिन हमें भूख महसूस नहीं हो रही. Don't abuse. गाली मत दो. It's called emotional abuse when someone uses harsh or cruel words or treats the person with scorn. This can tear people down or make them doubt their worth. For example, don't abuse him. He is a thorough gentleman. उसको गाली मत दो. वो एक मुकम्मल शरीफ इंसान है. I care about you. मुझे आपका ख्याल है. Friends, I care for you is usually another way to say I love you. Whereas I care about you implies more concern for the well-being of the other person. For example, I care about you, therefore I wish you would eat a better diet. मुझे आपका ख्याल है इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप एक अच्छी डाइट लें, अच्छा खाना खाएं. Keep trying. कोशिश करते रहो. It's an idiom also used to offer encouragement and inspire perseverance. For example, you haven't been able to solve the problem yet, but don't give up. Keep trying. अभी तुमने मसले का हल नहीं निकाला, लेकिन हिम्मत ना हारो और कोशिश करते रहो. So friends, here you came across with many short English phrases that you could have used in your daily life. They can be of much help to you. So keep using them in your conversation and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep learning, keep watching. Take care. Bye-bye.